Hello YouTube, welcome to Fix It Sama channel. Today I'm gonna show you the steps on how to change your tire in the most efficient and secured way. Bear with me and I'm gonna show you the steps. Okay guys, so the first step to do is we're gonna put our flashers on because we want to be seen by everyone on the road. Next, we're gonna make sure that our car is on parked position. Then we're gonna lift our handbrake because we do not want the car to move while we're changing the tire. It's very, very important. And now we're gonna go to our trunk and we're gonna remove the cover. Once I've removed the cover, you can see over here the instructions are written on how to change and remove your flat tire from the trunk. Next, we're gonna make sure that our tire is in good condition before we remove our flat tire. And now, let's get started. We're gonna start by removing here and unscrewing here. And now we're gonna remove our tire. As you see in the bottom, you can see here's our jack right here, and that's the other part to unscrew our bolts. So the first thing to do, we're gonna use this to remove the cover. There you go. And then before we install our jack, we're gonna make sure to untighten a bit our screws. That's it. Just enough so when we jack the car, we won't have to force to remove the screws. Okay guys, that's our next step. We're gonna align our jack with the line over here, as you see the triangle right there. And we're gonna lift it just a bit till it gets into position. There you go. And now we're gonna lift the car all the way up to be able to remove the tire. So now we're gonna continue by lifting the car with our jack. And there you go guys, as you see over here, I've lifted the tire approximately. I have like almost half an inch space between the tire and the floor, and that's exactly what we need to be able to remove the tire securely. And the next step is going to be to remove the screws, and you're gonna see now it's very easy because I've already untightened them before. So now it's very simple to remove them. And there you go guys. All what we need to do is to pull out, and all what's left to do is to bring our spare tire and we're gonna align it like this. We're gonna put our first nut, then we're gonna put the second, and we're almost done. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna tighten them a bit, just a bit, just enough so the tire won't come off once we put the car down. And now what's left to do is to put down our jack. Okay guys, it's very important, once you remove the jack, do not forget to tighten your screws. This is very important, and you must not forget to tighten your screws to the maximum possible. There you go. And now we are ready to hit the road. But before, don't forget to respect what's written on your tire, because this is only a spare tire. It's not like a regular tire. Make sure you respect the speed limit that it's written on your tire, because it's very important for your safety. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe under Fix It Samo one word, and we will see you next time.